For the record, if you guys haven't used a shop towel as a band-aid, you're not a real mechanic. Who wants to hear a cold start? What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Today's episode is all about modifications. What we're gonna be doing is doing some mods on this beast on the 2011 Ford Mustang GT. So make sure you guys subscribe down below, ring that bell for post notifications, and also smash that like button. That really helps me. Share this with your friends as well. Check out the merch line. You got a link down below. Really helps grow the channel and get me to the next tier so that I can start giving these builds away. So, I am sure everyone knows what's in this box. You have to, right? Oh yeah, guys. We're talking about it. We have an exhaust system. Can't really get it out of here. But here we are. We have a catback exhaust system. It's the, I don't even remember the brand on this one either. But we're gonna slap this on. So we're gonna see if there's any installation instructions in here and start disassembling our exhaust off of the car so that we can get this one on and get this thing sounding the way that it should. All right, let's get this exhaust laid out so we can take a look at it. So we want the MBRP exhaust. Still new to this, guys. I don't have the funds to spend too much on this, so I'm looking for subscribers for future exhausts or mods or anything like that. So anyone out there looking to sponsor a build or a channel, help me get into it, guys. Would love to get into these mods a little bit more. And over here, we have our beautiful 4-inch polished exhaust tip. Anyone who watches this channel knows that I lose stuff on the regular, whether it's a bolt or a socket or apparently an exhaust tip. So I was thinking about going with the black tips, but I couldn't justify the additional price just for the look. So we got the stainless steel tips, MBRP stamped on it. This is gonna look really nice, guys. Excited to get this on. So let's find these instructions and start disassembling our exhaust. Actually, before we do that, we're gonna get the camera nice and close to our stock exhaust. We're gonna rev the hell out of it, just so you guys can hear how weak and puny it is, so that hopefully when we shift to the new one, it's a lot nicer. As you guys can tell, it sounds awful. Alright, I hope that this view is good, guys. It's the best I could do right now. I'm going to try to give you a view and an angle from the entire thing. So, first step is obviously removing the old exhaust. Step 1, apply penetrating lubricant liberally to all exhaust fasteners, hangers, and rubber insulators. So, we're gonna do that. Alright, so step 2 is to take the clamps out. I'm going to try to take pictures of all this stuff and inlay it into the video. That first one came off nice and easy. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. But okay. Let's keep that in place for now. Let's remove this front bolt. Stuff is coming out nice and easy. This might be difficult. So if I had a real lift, this would come right out. Alright, we got the pipes out. It was not easy, but we did it. Now what we're going to do is get these mufflers off. Then we're going to give it a straight pipe start just to see how it sounds. Alright, one muffler's off. We actually didn't need to loosen that bolt at all, and we cut the hell out of our finger. Oh, that's gonna be bad. The record, if you guys haven't used a shop towel as a band-aid, you're not a real mechanic. Fight me on that. Alright guys, let's give it a start, a couple revs. I personally don't understand why we have to have exhaust systems on cars. This sounds so good without it. But stock exhaust is off, so let's see what we need to do. We're going to start with the mufflers for step 1 of the install process. Install the driver's side and passenger side mufflers by inserting the 2 forward hangers into the OEM isolators and sliding the muffler forward, followed by inserting the rear hanger into the OEM isolators. Figures 4 and 5, which is really bad. So let's figure this out. Alright, so let's see about getting this in. Assume install is reverse of taking it off. So we'll slide these into here. You guys still with me? All right. Alright guys, that wasn't easy, but we did get it on. You guys could see, I wish there was like tips or tricks or whatever I could tell you, but there's really not. The easiest thing to do is to do this on a lift. There's not enough clearance with the quick jacks. It doesn't get up high enough. I could have put it down a little bit, and then put some more spacers between it to lift it back up a little bit. But I was determined to do it without doing that. So I was able to get it on. It took a lot of manipulation. So if you guys are doing this on jack stands or quick jacks or whatever, it can be done. It's just going to take a little bit. So we were able to get that on. One thing I do want to note is that when you do put those sleeve clamps on the back, the muffler moves. So we have to slide the muffler all the way forward in order for the pipe to get on. So next thing we have to do is tighten up those clamps just a little bit, just so that they stay snug. Then we have to put the tips on, and then we'll tighten everything up and button it all down. All right guys, the last thing we need to do is install the tips and then tighten everything up. So we're going to do that now. Alright guys, exhaust is done. Who wants to hear a cold start? That sounds what a Mustang should sound. What'd you guys think? That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Got a mod done, looking good, sounding good, pretty beastly. So make sure you guys comment, let me know what you guys think about the sound. How does it sound right now? And also let me know what you guys think about this build, the car. Comment that down below. Like, subscribe, follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. And hopefully you guys will just see that I'm an everyday guy and you guys will be inspired by this. Just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY Salvage Guy yourself.